What do we normally do if we are not happy about something? We definitely tend to react based on our learnings and our experiences, either by blaming others or by blaming ourselves. As a young child, we start noticing and learning by observing others in everything that they do. Now, all of the others' actions are based on their own experiences and the values that were passed on to them from generations to generations. And now these values have reached you. So, as a young child, when you notice the things around you, you start following or start doing the things exactly the same. So, people around you are there to tell you if your actions are good or not so good. If you do something and receive reward, you learn that your actions are good. If you do something and receive punishment, you learn that your actions are not so good. All of these are external factors that are influencing, helping you to develop and shaping your personality. As and when you continue to grow along with these external factors, you are developing internally as well. You're developing your likes, your dislikes, your preferences, and you will notice that you have started attaching values and meanings to everything you do and observe. If your external factors are in good harmony with your internal factors, that's when you tend to live and lead a happy life. But if your external factors are opposing with your internal factors, that's when the conflict starts to emerge. Now, regardless of whatever personalities you have, you definitely need help and support from others at some point. For this, you need to thoroughly know about conflict management. You need to know when to compromise and when not to compromise. One thing you need to be very clear on to manage conflict, that is understanding your own values. Try to reflect on, spend good amount of time to understand what are your real core values that you want to hold on to, that you want to stick on to, and that you do not want to compromise at all. Once you are very clear on your values and act upon it, the conflict management, believe me, gets much easier. If you are in a situation that is challenging your core values quite a lot, that's when you need to bring this up, discuss with those who are involved. If you're not seeing any result, leave the people, leave the group, and leave the place. But if the situation is difficult and not challenging your core values at all, then the reason is definitely something else. Perhaps your preferred comfort zone is getting pushed a bit at this point. That's why you're feeling uncomfortable. So, the preferred comfort zone, you can work your way around, make necessary concessions, compromises in order to manage the conflict effectively. Now, whether you can do or you cannot do, you are probably right, as someone great has said in the past. Now, if you want to find more information about the subject that I have discussed in this video, please do write your comment under the comment section in this video. I'm definitely motivated to produce more motivational and educational video, so you need to check out on that. Happy learning, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.